doesn't fit. That's my car keys. That's not your house keys. Okay, you can't get mad. Those are my car keys. They're not going to fit your house. You weirdo. Why are you getting mad? Get up. Stop rolling around. Go get the keys. Go get the keys.